1 minute lang yung mata.
Nalo na tayo.
DBS.
Yo, inch up. Engage south now. Engage south right in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage south. Guard room the front.
Guard run sa engage, guys. Ready na?
Hayop na balista yan.
Yo, click. Engaging south now right in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage south.
Prepare. Ready, wait.
Alam. Oh.
Ready na.
Engaging south now right in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this one. Biglang nawala to.
Patay.
Lili.
Ready na. 5 seconds.
Ilang.
Ready.
Dropping big heal sa gate.
Yo, badon.
Alisa pa doon.
Hey, castle set ha. Open na, pwede naman open. Sige, gate na lang. Take
I-open nyo lang. Huwag nyong
Bigyan
i-open.
ibigay nyo ngayon living ko.
Kung sino may premium siya mag-open.
Ako na lang.
Go.
Sino mga looter sa front, pwede humingi ng potion.
Oo.
Yo, front.
Guys, fighting pa tayo. Huwag kayong relax.
You're engaging us on the shield mark right in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage the shield mark now.
Sige, ito. I-expect ko ba ito?
Sige lang. Come back, Taylor. Come back.
Singap pa.
3 seconds.
Ay, dito
Relax.
Ready?
Ready.
Magkano naman?
Yo, heal.
Oh my God.
Ready.
Engaging south. Engaging east side right in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage east side now. Come back.
Nasend ko dun sa... Mingming! Pinigis natin na Mingming!
Yo.
Ready.
Engaging south now, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage south now.
Kuya, may AK-47 sa loob natin, solo bomb.
Gamit nilang magpapin mo na yan, iyahin mo na. Kukunto lang yung kupan.
Madali lang report.
5 seconds.
Pinapatay yung
Wait
button.
the gate, ready in 5. Yo, click. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the gate.
Big hit. Balik. Pasok.
Nag-walk out kami sa kabilang gate. Ay.
5 seconds.
Yo, shaper.
Ready na.
Tinalo mo na naman now. Tingnan mo.
Gago, hindi ko sinalo, tumakbo ako. Kanina pa ako nakikinapan. Wala na ako pa. Wala nagsasabi ko sa kapitan.
Yo, wait. Engage. Inch up.
Wala, napatay na.
Yo, engage shallow. Hindi lang, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, tapos ang dami.
Tapos na dun sa ano para.
Pasok. Yes.
Yung ano, nadidismount na ako par.
Wait.
3
Tell me
seconds.
ready. Wala, di ko ma-dismount. Yo,
Ready,
engaging. Over the wall, southeast engage. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this one.
Nice.
Shaper.
Hindi ka na.
Dropping big heal po.
Ready?
Ready rin. Hindi. 3 seconds.
Yo, engage on the shaper. Ready in
Ready
5,
now.
4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this one, shaper.
Ulit ka.
Kay George na yan.
Long
Cycle,
cooldown.
cycle.
6 seconds.
Okay lang.
Uy, gago.
Ready na?
Sabay.
Ayaw pinikit ka dito.
Yo, heal my front.
Lukay.
Yo, engaging southeast over the wall, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, engage here.
Big hit, guys. Nice.
Heal me. Recycle.
Yung kesyo mo.
5 seconds.
Pwede mo pang dito yan.
Ready na?
Just wait.
Kusag na yung headpiece ni Rio.
Bigyan nyo ng head.
Click the gate, magbabak para sila. Click the gate. Engaging south, northeast over the wall, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bigat pa!
Ang layo naman, par.
Cycle.
4 seconds.
Oy, balik dito.
Ready na?
Yo, again, engage on the gate. Wait, heal me. Engage on the gate, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, engage on the gate now. Hit this one.
Nice. Aking ship.
Stay farm, par. Stay farm.
Cycle, guys. Cycle.
Cycle.
Hanap.
3 seconds.
Ready?
Ready?
Yo, again, engaging northeast, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, engage here. Then heal. Pa-cycle. Kill us the front. Matanggal yung loot box kayo, nag-flip yung loot box.
Kanina ko pa sinasabi yung loot bag.
Ready na?
Okay, just wait. Yo, we engage on the Skullmart, right in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, it's Skullmart, this is Skullmart. Next week.
Uh, 6 seconds.
Ilang seconds?
3. Ready na?
Ready? Ulitin niyo yung mga bags. Bilis.
Yo, be ready to death, yung mga nagtatanggal ng bugs. There's a garden, heal.
Gago.
Suyi. In heals.
Ba't di ko makita yung animation
Yo,
ng
engaging
ano?
northeast, over the wall, ready, northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, engage.
Connecting to.
Next kill. Cycle.
Baboy.
Habol.
Kill my front.
Flashing big deal sa crowd.
3 seconds.
Ang pumatay sa'yo, ano,
Yo, engaging
ay,
again.
nag-go.
Ready na?
Northeast over the wall, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit this one. Come.
Balik, guys. Balik.
Back.
24 minutes OC ready na?
Yo, engage on the gate, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, engage on the gate.
Oh, nice.
Oh shit! Yung bomba mo. Drop yung big heal.
Yung shielder na namatay, yung shielder na.
Ready. Alis kayo sa blue.
Just wait.
Ready na?
On the Sodge, on the Skullmart, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Skullmart now, hit this one.
Nice. Kaya.
Buhay pa yun.
Kompleto pa yung PT nyo ba, diba? Take. Yung fake ko hodge.
Ready na?
Wait.
Hindi pa rin sila. Namumulot yung ano namin dito. Alay na.
Tingnan ko isang stack ng mana. Salamat.
Uy, DPS. Don't kayo makichismis.
Nire-record ko tong ano.
Lapit kayo.
Tong AK-47.
Tangina ni Xiao.
Wait, kill my front, kill my front,
Oh,
kill my front.
fuck.
Yo, engaging southeast right in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, engage southeast, engage southeast. Hug is southwest side, southwest side.
3 seconds.
Ready?
Ready now? Yeah. Kinotot ni Xiao eh, gago.
Yo, pag click. Come on, follow me. Yo, engage on this, engage on this, after the night armor, northeast right in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Kabag daw eh.
Lani, don't march ha, don't march ha.
Yeah.
Aray ko to, mansan.
Patay yung dalawa mo.
Sino yun?
May flop.
Ready.
Northwest mo.
Wait lang, nalot na ba yung castle?
Di pa.
Ming, pagulot ng castle. Wait, the toys. Just
Pagulot na ba
okay,
ako?
just Ming.
Siniming na daw dulo.
Sayang na mo.
Hold southeast.
Guys,
So,
that
pagkita, Oli,
other
no?
guys stay here. Laban ako.
Yo, engaging on the gate right in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Chinese fair yung laba, Chinese fair, with alliance.
O gago.
Ay, putang ina, mali na din.
Ilang.
3 seconds.
Yo, ready this one dito. Ano ni? Ready. 4, 3, 2, 1. Kita mo. Ay,
Pagita.
lang din pa rin sila. 40 ulit.
Ready?
Lani tatlo na yung laba. Lani tatlo na yung laba.
Nalot na ba yung castle?
Lalat na lahat.
Mag-insta ka, wait lang.
Hindi, iwan na natin. Hindi na nila...
Palis na rin sila.
Oh.
Matap.
Walang ibang lalapit sa chest ha.
Sige, record ko.
Hindi, labas na yung iba. Papuntay mo na sa Terry or...
Naka-record ako.
Yeah, go Terry. Yung mga di na kailangan dito, go Terry.
Yung ano...
Magkano yung silver bugs? Ba't
Don't get
kinuha yung
caught
silver bug?
don't get caught.
Watch stock 50 pieces yung silver bag.
Take ka kong bag.
Wala sa akin ha. Parang nasa akin yung
First time yun, hindi ko kinailangan ng gigapat.
Pakuha ng mga stone, ang bigat.
Ayun na, huwag ka naman pumulit yun lang.